Okay, here's someone we know. We've seen him here before. Last year at MotorEX. Ross, how are you?
Very good, thank you.
Okay, last year we had Mustang, wasn't it?
Yeah, 65 Mustang Fastback, which is in the Superstars Hall.
Yes, it is indeed. We gave you a Superstars jacket just a couple of hours ago. All right, I know this is something super special right here. Should we rip the covers off?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's get them off, and as they come on back, let's make a whole bunch of noise for an Alfa Romeo. Okay, so exactly what do we have here? What have you produced for us?
It's a 1967 Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GT Veloce. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it's a pretty cool little special car. It's restomod, so it's chock full of alcoholics who are like aftermarket supplier of Alfa Romeo parts. So not too dissimilar to the Mustang. Well, the only thing we haven't replaced on the car is the roof. All the bodywork is all new. It's a full rotisserie build. We've got an engine built by Lou and Frank from Dandy Engines, which was something a bit different for them, but not the first Alfa Romeo 2-litre engine. So it's a full alloy double overhead cam with all new cams, and it's all been modified. Should produce a very humble little 230 horsepower, but for a car that weighs under a tonne, it should be pretty fun. We've got Alfaholics close ratio gears in the transmission, short shift kit, Alfaholics alloy wheels, all new electronics, AC, and yeah, it should be a fun little car to drive.
Yeah, absolutely. It looks incredible, right down to the detailing of the wheels right there. So tell us, last year, full Australian muscle car, or American muscle car, if you like, into something from Europe into Italy. What's the deal with that?
I think Jeremy Clarkson said it really well. He said, you're not a real car guy until you've owned an Alfa. So I thought, why not jump in and buy one? So I bought this 2 years ago. And look, as a teenager, my friends had Alfa Romeos, and I've always loved driving them. They're really unreliable, but when they drive well, they're really fun.
Please tell me that you're not taking your life lessons from Jeremy Clarkson.
No, I'm not. That's the one exception.
Beautiful. Okay, so what happens to it now?
Well, now we've just got to iron out some of the bugs. As you know, getting a car to a show is a challenge in itself. But this is a driver. It's all wrapped aligned underneath. I am driving the wheels off this thing.
Yeah, absolutely. And of course, we can see in your beautiful setup here that, of course, Alfa have a beautiful racing history and heritage from many, many years ago.
Yeah, correct. So this was an Australian delivered car. And these were in the Australian Touring Car Series in the late 60s, early 70s. And in fact, the four-leaf clover, or the quadrifolio, as they call it, actually has a whole story behind it, which I've got it printed out on the board, that includes Enzo Ferrari and Antonio Ascari. So it's a pretty cool sort of racing heritage. And yeah, it's a pretty cool car.
It's a great story, and you're absolutely right. Enzo Ferrari and some other famous names originally driving around in Alfas way back in the day.
Correct.
Which is incredible. People to thank you. Do you want to say thank you to?
I'd like to thank Mick and Charlie from Mick's Custom Restoration. They did all the paint and body work. I'd like to thank True Track, Ralph, Avni, Adrian and Mark for doing amazing work, getting all this car together, long hours, eating pizza at 10 p.m. Just to get this car across the line. And I'd like to thank Phil from Old School Trimming, and Lou and Frank from Dandy Engines.
Amazing work. All right, Ross, well, thank you so much for doing what you do. Beautiful Mustang last year, beautiful Alfa Romeo this year. Once again, let's show some appreciation to Ross and the whole team for this beautiful little Giulia. Love it. Good on you, mate.
Thank you very much.